Today I present this professional double-ended kazoo that I got on Amazon. If you want instant musical fun with a playful twist, this clever design lets you switch between high and low tones for a surprisingly versatile little performance. Simply hum and you're making music. No complicated setup required. The sleek metal finish gives it a polished look, and it's compact enough to take anywhere for spontaneous jams. It even comes with extra membranes and optional cord, and it's available in other colors too, so check them out. I highly recommend.